Sometimes having a powerful light and a safety alert within reach can make all the difference in critical moments. Introducing the LEDlenser K6 R Keyring Torch, a premium mini keychain light that delivers 400 lumens, brighter than most smartphones, in a sleek, high-quality brushed aluminum housing. Equipped with a shrill safety alarm, strobe light, and adjustable brightness, it ensures visibility and protection in emergencies. This compact LED torch includes a transport lock, battery charge indicator, fold-out USB-A for fast charging, and a carabiner for easy attachment. Whether clipped to a keychain, purse, or backpack, it's the perfect emergency light and alarm for on-the-go safety. A quick, reliable way to inflate your tires can make all the difference during a ride or an emergency. The Pro Bike Tool Mini Bike Pump is a compact and portable bicycle pump designed for fast inflation with 30% fewer strokes than standard models. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, durable, and built to withstand tough rides. The integrated pressure gauge ensures accurate inflation, while the secure thread-on valve is compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, preventing leaks. Ideal for cyclists, this essential mini bike accessory fits easily in a jersey pocket or backpack, making it perfect for rides, survival kits, and emergencies. Securing cargo safely and efficiently is essential for any transport, job site, or adventure trip. Introducing the Stanley Cargo Secure, a custom-designed tool featuring a center hub anchored by 8 premium adjustable bungee cords and 8 black hooks, offering quick and reliable attachment. Its 2 adjustable tension pods easily slide along the bungee arms, providing versatile tension points for any cargo load. This multi-use bungee web is perfect for ATVs, work trucks, construction sites, or camping adventures. By combining smart design with durability, Stanley's adjustable bungee system redefines traditional cargo securing solutions, keeping your gear stable no matter the terrain or task. Everyday carry demands a reliable, lightweight, and functional cutting tool that won't weigh you down. The R-Black Pocket Knife delivers unmatched strength and utility with its ultra-thin, ultra-lightweight, and ultra-strong 154 cm steel Tanto blade, perfect for tactical use and precision tasks. Featuring brown titanium plating, a dark blue anodized aluminum handle, and a reversible mini deep carry pocket clip, it balances style and performance. The axis lock, ceramic bearing system, and thumb studs ensure smooth, secure one-handed operation. Ergonomically crafted for a 4-finger grip with jimping for control, this EDC tactical knife excels in cutting, piercing, survival, and utility, ideal for both men and women in any environment. In emergencies, having quick, nutritious, and easy-to-prepare food is vital for survival and peace of mind. The Augusten Farms Emergency Meal Kit offers a 72-hour, one-person food supply with delicious and well-balanced meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It includes maple brown sugar oatmeal, creamy potato soup, and creamy chicken rice, all packed in portable pouches that are affordable and ideal for storing in cars, backpacks, offices, or closets. These easy-to-prepare meals require just water and are ready in minutes. This kit is a dependable emergency food supply solution, helping you stay prepared, well-fed, and energized during any crisis or survival scenario.